are so many amazing ideas in a fashion magazine. Christy, look, long hair is trendy. That's what we need. But there's a problem. Our own hair isn't long enough yet. And that's where only a miracle will help. Like this amazing comb. We're buying it, Christy. The VIPs get the best service. Wow, it's beautiful. Should we test it? Me first, Christy. This is weird. Where's my long hair? There it is. What a fancy hairstyle. Jessica, you are so trendy now. I want to try it too.
Hey.
No way. It's mine. Hey, you are hurting me. Oh no. And now there are gorgeous locks there too. Come on, Christy. This is hilarious. You'll be sorry for laughing. Don't panic! A razor will solve all problems. The knee is as good as new. But what about the magic comb? I have an idea. Scissors, get to work. And here's the new comb. So what if it's made of paper? It works. Plus, it's free. That's a great solution for broke people. The hair looks like something from a fashion magazine now. Styling ultra-long hair is a real torture. Let a professional do it. Come here. Come here, I say.
Hey.
And the stylist is already in place.
Wow.
Here we go. What long hair? That's a tricky one. It takes a special approach. Ready, Miss Jessica? Don't even think about it. Wealthy clients are not so easy to please. Yes, Miss Jessica. We'll be careful. But the result is not satisfying. The good old curlers are her last hope. Uh-oh, even they are powerless. Oh, that hurts. But a real stylist never gives up. Gold curlers can handle any hair. This is what expensive styling is all about. It's perfect. Thank you. Rich hair is an investment. And Christy can't afford a personal stylist, so she'll do her own hair. And the cardboard curlers are in place. They're cheap, but so effective. Secure the curlers and tie them up.
Yeah.
More toilet paper. Anything for a beautiful hairstyle. Now we wait. And the moment of truth has arrived. Let's take the curlers off. Perfect curls for free. Christy and Jessica are going on dates tonight, and their dates are already here. But where are the ladies? They still haven't decided on their hairstyles. This hair is too much to handle. Relax, Jessica. But how can you be relaxed when your date is at risk? Guys won't wait forever. A brush won't do the trick. Here's an idea. We'll take a garden rake.
Wow.
That's much better. And the boys have as much fun as they can. Checkmate, buddy! Christy's almost ready, but Jessica has it all completely messed up. Ugh, finally! The hair is perfect. Ready, bestie? I sure am. We're here, boys. Hello? Time really flew. The princesses are finally here. It takes half a lifetime to brush all this hair. This room needs a deep clean. Where do we start? Let's get rid of all this stuff. And long hair comes to the rescue. One move and no more trash. Oh, I can see a piece of paper. Let's make a hair lasso. Done. Very handy. Now let's sweep the floors. Let's do it. Why do you need a brush when you have hair? We don't need a rag either. Just use your long hair. The floors will be so shiny. Yay! The cleaning is done. I love being clean. Long hair can be dirty, but cleaning is not for Jessica. That's what the servant is for. Martin can handle the mess. And let's start by removing the extra hair. It's all over the place. I'm sick of this job. But a real pro isn't afraid of anything. What's this furry beast? There was no dog in the house. Oh, I must have imagined it. This place is too messy. Rich hair needs rich care. That mane needs a good wash. Time for a bath. Let's stock up on shampoo and go. That should be enough. Mission accomplished. But how do you keep all this hair on your head? Oh, my gosh! Hold me! Are you all right, Miss Jessica? I think so. But the hardest part lies ahead. She needs to dry the hair. With this? Don't be ridiculous. We need something powerful. The Gold Super Dyson. That's a great idea, Amelia. That's a good hair dryer. The hair is completely dry in a minute. Long hair is so beautiful, but it's so difficult to take care of. Oof, that smell. No time to waste. It's decided. Today I wash my hair. But the thing is, I'm out of shampoo. What do I do? Don't panic. Let's get Granny's recipes book. It has tips for every situation, even a recipe for homemade shampoo. Citrus, a pinch of slime, phoenix feathers, and a flower. Grandma knew a lot about beauty. Wow. And now let's wash our hair. There we go. Now for the next step. Drying the hair. No hair dryer here. So we can do it the old-fashioned way. The wind is completely free. We should take advantage of it. But it could be dangerous. Hey, watch out! That's my hair! Stop! What if it's the prince from the fairy tale? He's about to climb the high tower and save Christy from the wicked witch! But it's all just a dream. Oh, my mistake. I have to get my hair out of the street right away. Ugh! They'll be safe in there. There's a big event coming up, a fashion show, and the girls have to participate. But now they are rivals. From now on, it's every girl for herself. Let's start getting ready. Bring me dresses, a lot of them. So many beautiful outfits. What do I wear? That's no good. It's all out of fashion now. Let go of me. This is all wrong. And this dress also sticks to my hair. I have an idea. I need to hide this hair. That's better. But this outfit isn't shiny enough. Let's try another look. That's good. Jessica will make a splash, even with a hanger in her hair. And Christy can't afford a fancy dress. We'll look for something in the old closet. This is a disaster. None of these are good enough. Stop! Those are my lucky shorts. Let me try them on. Now Christy's going to win for sure. Oops! The shorts couldn't take the strain. That's bad timing. I'll have to wear my old clothes. What if... How about a hair scarf? The big day has arrived. There's the gorgeous Jessica on stage. But no one was impressed by the coat rack in her hair. That's horrible! Get off the stage! And even money is powerless here. But Christy now has a chance to win. And her scarf is a big hit. Awesome! Wow! What a stylish solution!
Yeah.
And it's a well-deserved win. It's gorgeous. So fresh. This looks like a new trend. Jessica is having a restless night. You can't get bored with long hair. They are everywhere, even in her dreams. Hair instead of food. Hair instead of a face. When will it be enough? Somebody save me! No more hair. Calm down. It's just a dream. But it's time to stop with the long hair. I'm sick of it. But ultra long hair won't give up that easily. We need a beauty salon now. Oh, my gosh! The hair let me down again. It's clear that the stylist can't handle it. We need a doctor. Christy, you're here too? Doctor, please help us. Take away this long hair. The patients are in trouble. And only super sharp scissors can help. let's get to work. Yay! We did it! No more long hair. We'll actually enjoy our hair now. Thank you, doctor. Gotta go. See you later. Christy, on the other hand, has no money. The usual. Let's get out of here. I wonder how much I can sell it for.